GSG presents White Ink Wednesday.
Welcome to White Ink Wednesday. I'm Mark Sudonik, Textile Application Specialist at Graphic Solutions Group. Today's episode, we're going to talk about printing white puff ink. What we're going to do is we're going to start out with Wilflex Epic New Puff Base with 10% of Wilflex Epic Bolt White added into it. We're going to overprint our white underbase that was printed through a 156 mesh screen. We already flashed it. We're going to print our puff through a 110 mesh. We're going to use a 70 durometer standard squeegee. We're going to go ahead and flood our image and get ink into the ink well. We're going to go ahead and do 2 passes. We're going to use a little bit more angle than we typically would with white ink because we want to lay down a good amount onto the shirt. Once we have our print, run it through the dryer, 320 degrees. And there you have it, a nice white puff print, 2 easy steps. For more information, visit gogsg.com and we'll see you next Wednesday.